Tired of typing passwords every time you log into eBay? Enable Passkey for instant, secure access in under a minute. Seriously, it is that fast. If you are like me, you have got a dozen different accounts, and you're supposed to use a unique, complex password for each one. It is exhausting. This Passkey thing? It uses your phone or computer's built-in security, like your fingerprint or face scan, to log you in instantly. No more remembering, no more typing. So here's the plan. I will show you exactly where to find the Passkey setting on eBay and how to set it up in just a few clicks. It is really straightforward, and by the end of this video, you will be logging in with almost zero effort. All right, first things first. Let us open up your browser and head over to ebay.com. Just type it in or grab the link from the description. That is your starting point. Now, you are going to need to sign in to your eBay account. Go ahead and type in your email and password one last time. This is the final time you will have to do this the hard way, I promise. Once you are logged in, look up at the very top left corner of the page. You will see your username. Just hover your mouse over that name. Do not click it yet, just hover. A little drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down menu, you want to click the option that says Account Settings. This is where you manage everything about your eBay profile. Now, on the next page, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You will see a list of options. Find the one that says Sign In and Security and click on it. This is the control center for your login methods. Scroll down through that page until you find a section labeled Passkey. It might be towards the bottom, but it is clearly marked. And right there, next to it, you will see a button that says Turn On. Go ahead and click that. And here is the really important part. Your browser or your device is going to ask you to create the passkey. A little pop-up window will appear. It might ask you to use your fingerprint or your face, or just a PIN you already use to unlock your phone or computer. This whole process is handled by your device, not by eBay. So just follow whatever prompts your screen is showing you. It is usually just one tap or one scan. And I have tested this on a few different devices, so trust me, it is very quick. Once you have followed those prompts, your passkey is created. You might need to click a final save or confirm button just to lock it all in. And that is it. Really, you are done. The next time you go to log into eBay, instead of asking for your password, it will just ask for your face or your fingerprint. It is that simple. You have just upgraded your login from something you have to remember to something you already are. Way more secure, way less annoying. Thanks for watching.